Just service the vapor blaster. Just put some new water in there. It's just sitting for so long. Actually, most of the water evaporated here in Phoenix, but it's been a while since I did like just a before and after side by side. So I'm gonna shoot this piece for a tour that's coming in and have it ready, but check it out. All right, you ready to see this beauty? Now I got a buddy standing here. Alan, how long do you think, I wish we would have set a timer on that. How long do you think we were?
No more than 5 minutes. I mean, it did take 5 minutes, but I mean, I'll say 5 minutes on the outside.
So I got a little spot I missed right there. But will you do me the honors? Will you come peel the duct tape up?
Oh, it's to show what it looked like before.
Yeah, I tried putting a straight line on it. Just peel that tape up. Okay, let's now watch this. Go ahead. This is another cool feature of this one, is having the parts wall. The only thing is you have to be careful. People get into trouble because that's
water, or is that actually cleaner?
It's the same water and media, so it's not like you could use this and then go put it in service. You need to go wash it all together. But look at that, buddy.
I mean, night and day, literally.
I mean,
day, night.
Like you said, you know, 5 minutes. I really wished I would have timed it, but I just threw this in here. This is like a 1960s transmission cover. Gave me a box of stuff just to play with for him or whatnot. So I'm gonna get this back to him to have as a showpiece on his counter to show what vapor blasting will do. But yeah, that's pretty sweet. Anyway, if you haven't done so yet, hop on over to their website and Facebook and Instagrams and all that stuff. Give them a shout. And as always, my friends, keep wrenching and make it a great day.